Hey guys, so if you're looking for a mirror that you can take with you, a mirror that's transportable, it's easily can be packed, lightweight, this is the one for you. The deweisn foldable mirror. The mirror has two doors that fold open. On one side, it has mirrors that you can go up close on. On the other side, normal mirrors, okay? It's charged up by USB cable, or you can easily add batteries to the door in the back here, so you don't need a cord at all. When you turn it on, it lights up beautifully, all right? So no need, even if you want to use it at home, to get new bulbs for the lights in your bathroom, it's not bright enough, you can take this thing in there, plug it in, and put it away when you're done. Totally transportable, like I said. You can take it with you on trips. The back of it has this bracket that allows you to move up and down based on how high your table is. Best buy for a mirror that we've ever seen. Totally happy with it. The deweisn foldable mirror.